Yakitori is a traditional Japanese dish that consists of skewered and grilled chicken. The word yakitori literally means grilled bird, and it has been a popular food in Japan for centuries. In this video, we'll explore the history of yakitori and its health benefits. Yakitori has been around in Japan since at least the Edo period, which spanned from 1603 to 1868. It is believed that yakitori originated in the city of Sendai, which is located in northern Japan. The dish was originally made with quail and was served as a snack for the samurai class. Over time, yakitori became more popular and spread throughout Japan. Today, it is commonly found in restaurants and at street vendors throughout the country. Yakitori is often enjoyed as a casual food, and it is a popular option for izakaya, or Japanese-style pubs. Yakitori can be a healthy food option, especially if it is prepared with lean cuts of chicken and without any skin. Here are some of the health benefits of yakitori. Firstly, yakitori is high in protein. Chicken is a good source of protein, and yakitori is a great way to get that protein. Each skewer typically contains around 25 grams of protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Secondly, yakitori is low in fat. Yakitori can be a low-fat food if it is made with lean cuts of chicken and without any skin. This makes it a healthier option than other grilled meats, such as beef or pork. Thirdly, yakitori is rich in vitamins and minerals. Chicken is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including niacin, vitamin B6, and selenium. These nutrients are important for maintaining good health and can help boost your immune system. Lastly, yakitori is low in calories. Yakitori can be a low-calorie food option, especially if it is prepared without any sauce. Each skewer typically contains around 100 to 150 calories, which makes it a good choice for those who are watching their calorie intake. In conclusion, yakitori is a delicious and healthy food that has been enjoyed in Japan for centuries. Its popularity has spread around the world, and it is now commonly found in Japanese restaurants and street vendors worldwide. If you're looking for a tasty and healthy food option, consider trying yakitori for your next meal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.